Also within Microsoft Teams, you have teams, and within your Teams chat, you can have different types of teams that you have created or that you have been added to. How do you create a team? You click on the option below, join or create a team. Now what happens is you may see a few teams that are already existing appear on your window. To create a team from scratch, click on create a team. Either build it from scratch or copy an existing team. I want to build this team from scratch. I want to choose private because I want people that need permission to join. I do not want to make it a public team or an organization-wide team. Click on private, call it test, MS Team Chat. Click create. Your team is created. Now you can start adding members to your team. I'm going to add George. I will add Simon. And you can click on add. So every member in a team has a role, and each one of them has different permissions. Guests are people from outside your organization. They have fewer capabilities than team members or team owners, but there are still a lot that they can do. A member is a person a part of the team. They talk with other team members in conversations. They can view and usually upload and change files. They also do the usual sorts of collaboration that the team owners have permitted. The owner makes certain or manages certain changes for the team. They can add and remove members, add guests, change team settings, and handle administrative tasks. There can be multiple owners in a team. Once you've added your members to the team, you can click on close. Now that your team is created, you will notice that you have your name of your team and then your general channel. If you click on the ellipsis of the name of the team and you click on Manage Team, you will see that you'll be able to see all your members, owners, and guests. If pending requests, you can accept or decline them. This is normally when you make it an organization-wide team. Channels, what channels are available. Once you create more channels, then this list will get populated. You can add channels from here as well, so I can add this channel and call it test. You can also choose to automatically show this channel in everyone's list. And just a few months ago, the privacy was released, and this allows you to create private channels as well as just your normal standard channel. Private channels are accessible only to a specific group of people within the team. So for example, if I only want Simon and Daure to have access and I don't want the others to have access, I will create a private channel. Leave it as standard for the moment and click add. When you click add, you'll see it also appears at the bottom below general. Going back to manage team, you have settings. Here you can add a picture, you can edit your permissions for your members, for guest permissions, your @mentions. How do you want to mention people in your test or general channel? And then you can go through the rest of the information there. Analytics. This gives you a summary of the users within the team, the messages. This is a brand new team. You can see that there are no messages as yet. And apps gives you an indication of what types of apps are available to us. If you go back to the ellipsis, you have add a channel, which we've done through the settings tab. You can also do it from this side. You've got add members if you would like to add more members. Leave the team, but when you leave the team, you need to ensure that there is another owner of the team. edit the team. If you'd like to edit the team, maybe add a description. This is a test chat group team, and we only wanted it to be private. Click done. Get a link to this team. Now this link can be emailed or sent to other users to join the team. We will chat about manage tags in a bit. Once you're done with the team or you no longer wish to be a part of a team, you can click on delete the team. I must emphasize how important it is that when a team is created, it creates a group or a site in SharePoint. This is of utmost importance that you let all of you remember this when creating teams. It's not like your WhatsApp groups where you go and create groups upon groups upon groups. Here, the more teams you create, the more it floods your SharePoint. So it's very important that you look at your structure first and you appoint people to create teams within the departments and structure them properly.